Hello friends, today I am going to show how to make tamarind juice. It's called Hunase Hannu Panaka in Kannada. This is the juice especially prepared on the day of Ramanavami. This juice has lot of health benefits as it acts as a coolant with very good high iron and it helps to beat the summer weather. So let us see what are all the ingredients we need for tamarind juice and how to do it. 1 liter of water which is warmed and cooled. This is the dark tamarind which will have slightly less sourness to it. And I have taken one small golf size of tamarind. This is crushed pepper and I have half a teaspoon. And this is crushed cardamom with pods and its outer skin which is 8 numbers. And I'm going to take just a pinch of salt and this is half a cup of jaggery. And we need a strainer to strain the tamarind juice. And now let's see how to do it. Now I am going to separate this tamarind and I am going to pour little bit of water to this and let it sit and soak. Now I am going to add the jaggery to the water and let it melt. For this I am going to add the pepper. And I am going to add the cardamom. I am holding on retaining some so that at the end I should be able to adjust and match the flavor and taste. So I am going to add pinch of salt and I need to give it a stir. I'm gonna wait now for 10 minutes so that the jaggery is melted completely. Now the tamarind juice which I have mixed with water has been sitting for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to give a stir and the tamarind pulp is ready. So I'm going to strain this to the cup which has been sitting here with the jaggery. So now we have strained all the tamarind juice extract to the jaggery water mix. Now again let's just give a small stir and the juice is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Charya's Kitchen for more videos. Thank you.